Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty, located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural world wonder, the Horseshoe Falls name is derived from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls was 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion of Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world by volume of water flown, at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line, 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide. And the depth of the river at the base of the falls, 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Nighttime dances color pills, morning sex under the tree. All in all it was. We were riding down the hill. Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances color pills, morning sex under the tree. All in all it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in all